I'm Liminal. I've done this tutorial thing like 4 or 5 times now. I don't like how it turns out, so I'm going to explain how you can do this. It's relatively simple. You're going to have the center clock file. I'm assuming that you extracted it. Please extract it now. Cool. Alright, now, right-click on, if it right-clicks you and does this, just click on Skin menu, and then click on Manage Skin. It'll bring you here. Simple. Click on Center Clock, Open Folder. What you're going to do is basically delete this folder. Just delete it. Now. Yes. Delete everything about it. What that's going to do is it's going to break this. It does not matter. If you don't want it to do that, interact with it there, and see it. Bam. Now, next, you're gonna be like, oh well, where's my clock gone? Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're going to drag this off screen so I don't have to see it in my background, so I actually have more room. You're going to grab this center clock, move it in here. Done. Then you're going to, oh my god, I'm lagging. My mouse is lagging. Bring this back. You're going to click this and load, and double click or load literally any one of these. Bam. Okay, let's go under the assumption that you don't have, oh, what? What? Okay, I'll fix that in a second. I'll fix that in a second. So, here's what you are going to do. It's going to pop up like this, and I'm like, oh, well, when I open up Spotify, it doesn't do anything. Blah, 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 blah. So, here's what you need to do. If this shows nothing, also, actually, you don't need this. Ignore that. That's your, you need to have WebNowPlaying. WebNowPlaying, I'm going to link this. I'm gonna link this. This is for the Monster Cat Visualizer RainMeter thing. It's gonna tell you, hey, if you want to use WebNowPlaying with Spotify, you gotta do it this way. Basically, you're gonna download Spicetify. Spicetify is a beautiful program that allows you to customize your Spotify. It's not just for loading things onto it. You're gonna love it. Like, you can make full screen versions, etc. You can color your Spotify. It's very GPU kinda eaty, but if you do, but like as long as you keep it relatively basic, it's fine. It shouldn't affect anything unless you have like a really shit PC. So here's what you gotta do. You're going to download Spicetify through that, and then you're gonna type in Spicetify configs essential WebNowPlaying, which you can find right here. And now what you do? If you you could just ignore this. You can just Spotify backup apply. Done. Now, if Spicetify ever just like disappears, all you have to do is just type in Spicetify update. And if it's not working, just Spicetify apply. Spicetify apply. And that will don't worry, it's not gonna like undo your marketplace stuff at all. You're gonna say Spotify spiced up. Bam. Open up this, and then you'll see in the background. Whoa, there it is. Also, by the way, this is gonna be askew for a bit because this is my clock file, which is where I have this set with RainMeter. You can set it wherever the fuck you want by clicking on clock when it's loaded, and then just setting the coordinates. Yeah, it's that easy. And then if you ever move it and the visualizator's off, just turn it off and then on again. Anyways, control reference. Go. So let's say, hello, look at my bad music taste. Let's say you wanna play some music. See you again. I got these buttons to work, because resources and renaming and everything, but yeah, it should be working now. If it isn't working, contact me at one of these places. If it's my email, don't send a spam looking email because my spam will probably pick it up and I won't read it or be able to read it. This is my Discord. As of 11/11/2024, this is my Discord. Is it my Discord? This is my Discord. Hi. So sick. You now have this, and it works for anything. Say you want to listen to. Can I shrink this for like example purposes so that it's still visible? All right, I'll just put this on my other monitor. Say you want to listen to Chromacopia, Tyler the Creator.
You are the light.
Say you want to listen to. Say you have a. You know who you are, and you listen to Will Wood and the Tapeworms. Mascot and Tango. Say listen to that Hampton Babble. It works with every clock setting. I have my clock settings on my other monitor. If you change the clock setting, it's not really going to work. But if you go to like desktop, set the scaling, it should work. See? Now, you might notice, oh well, it's kind of askew now. It's kind of off. You can fix that by not clock setting, skin menu, manage skin, edit music. Scroll down until you see measure album. Wait, no, sorry. Scroll down until you see where I did the cover image, right? Cover image. Go away. Cover image. The reason it's like 1 pixel off is it's kind of odd sometimes. So cover image. See, cover image real. Right here. Do not press backspace. It really doesn't like that for some reason on my end. So just set it to zeros. Click refresh. It's done. Still don't like it because of the little area up the top? Do the exact opposite. Or, I don't know, fix it some other way if you know how. I'm not sure how. Just mess with this until it works, I guess. I don't know, I'm not your boss. Like, maybe it's $2.99 for this one, or yeah, maybe it's $2.99 for this, and then we refresh. No, I don't like that. Can we make it 300 again, please? Thank you. Maybe it's because this is 1 pixel too large, because I set it 1 pixel too large because it was being weird. Maybe now it's 1 pixel lower than what it should be, so set it 299. Have to save, and then 299. And then you have to make it 300 again. It's always gonna be a bit odd whenever you scale it. Just fix it yourself. It shouldn't be that hard. Now, like, oh well, what if I want to mess with around with it? It's just if you want to mess around with it yourself, you can. If you mess it up, just re-download the clock data file. That's it. Yeah, I'll probably fix the if you close Spotify, it will do this. If it doesn't do that, just skip menu, NXTOS, center clock, turn on the other one. Simple. Like, it'll be on music, so turn on clock, and then it'll keep like this. You can set your clock settings however you want. It'll still work. I am going to eventually figure out how to get music change notifications. I do not know how to do that. I cannot for the life of me figure out their notification system because all I am messing with is INI files. So, apologies for the very bad tutorial. Like, very, very bad tutorial. So, I'm probably gonna upload this on YouTube, maybe GitHub for the files. Yay! Why are you still here?